everyone says that Management Courses is the best YouTube channel for management training videos. Isn't that a compelling reason to engage with this channel and watch my videos? When you engage the support of one or more other people to endorse your argument, that's what psychologists refer to as social proof. It's a big topic and a powerful influencing technique, and we'll come back to it again in a future video. In this video, I want to show how you can draw upon other people's support when speaking or writing about your ideas, your proposals, or your requests. There are 8 ways to invoke social proof. And number 1 is in passing. Ramesh was telling me that when I was speaking with Rachel, she said that number 2 is reported opinions. Anita was clear that Andrew wants us to, and number 3 is reported actions. Gordon has started to, Greta has stopped doing reported opinions, and reported actions are obviously much more powerful when the actions or opinions you're reporting are those of either experts or celebrities or people that others respect. This appeal to role models is, of course, the basis of influencer marketing. The 4th source of social proof is case studies. Let me tell you Nala's story. Let me tell you about my time with Navarro. Number 5 is formal uses. Here's a quote from Sir Winston Churchill. There's a saying my father used to say. By the way, recent psychological research seems to imply that people give a high level of credence to reported opinions of people's parents. Why that should be, I don't know. However, my father was particularly wise. Number 6 is weight of numbers. Statistics show that 7 out of 8 people, our research found that 85% of the people we spoke to said that there are 2 further ways to involve support for your argument, but be careful with both of them, they can each go badly wrong for you. The first is invoking power. Number 1 is authority. Our boss says the government tells us that. Number 2 is rules. Our policies require that. The rules say. Number 3 is knowledge. The instructions say that, according to the book I read, number 4 is expertise. I read an independent opinion that argued that the experts say that the final and weakest approach to using social proof is to invoke common knowledge. People say that everyone knows that. They say that it's well known that. At the start of this video, I said that everyone says that Management Courses makes the best management videos, to which the sensible question would be, who's everyone? Who says that? I don't know anyone who says that. So by invoking common knowledge, you are opening yourself up to a deeply critical inquiry. If people spot what you're doing, common knowledge isn't always that factual. It's a weak form of argument. And appeals to authority can also be weak because they suggest that you yourself do not have enough authority or enough confidence. So, we can use them, and we sometimes do use them, but if you've got any better way to appeal to social proof, you should use that instead. Please do give a thumbs up to give me some social proof that people like my videos. I'll be making loads more great Management Courses videos for you, so also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for your own benefit so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one, and in the meantime, of course, keep learning.